Are you ready for a revolution in cleaning? Is it possible for a plant-based product to provide cleaning as effective as hard chemicals? Forget ordinary cleaning products. We makes it possible. Discover our innovative, ultra-concentrated, plant-based powder cleaners. Multi-purpose cleaner powder removes kitchen grease, bathroom limescale, and all dirties with one product. Our auto cleaner is the ultimate solution for every surface in your vehicle. Natural cleaning from rims to upholstery, glass to plastic with one product. Logistics cost %82 lower. Storage cost %82 lower. 82% less carbon footprint. 96% less plastic use. Safe for you and your loved ones. No harsh chemical. No colorants. No fragrance. Pure power, perfect clean. The first brand approved. By Made in Turan. Miel Kimya.